What's up, dudes? Today is a product testing day. We're gonna test this out. I needed to clean up the upholstery and the carpets in the RX7. I am in no way affiliated with this brand, this company, this product, nor am I sponsored by them or any such thing of the sort. I went to the store. It was the cheapest thing that was there to do what I needed it to do. So let's see if we can get the desired results. Does it work good? Is it worth the $8? Let's check it out. What's up, dudes? What a lovely day. As we're in the last steps of putting together the RX7 as to what I have actually in parts for it. There's still all kinds of work to do, all kinds of stuff to it, but the purpose, the point, what I'm doing here is I'm just putting it all back together, making it look good as I can so I can bring it up to shows and just drive it on the street and enjoy it, because the real plan I have for it is like a complete overhaul kind of thing, and I just don't have the time or the budget for it right now. It's super expensive to buy all these parts, and I just got the regular job running the household and all that stuff still, so it takes a long time to save up to get the go fast parts that I need to finish stuff like this. So I don't want to embark on a big journey on the RX7 just yet, because that's gonna get crazy. But since I'm at the point where I'm cleaning it up and making it look good, we're gonna test out some Simoniz, the carpet and upholstery cleaner. I'm also gonna test more Simoniz product. This is the Simoniz Protectant Nettoyant Cleaner Ultra Shine Ultra. Is it in English anywhere? It's like Armour All, basically. Now we'll take a look at the RX7. The interior, the carpets are pretty rough, pretty dirty. The seat, driver's seat especially, has like a stain on it, and it looks pretty crusty. So we're gonna see if this and the provided plastic little brush thing they give us, ding, 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 will actually work and do the kind of job that I'm looking for. I just want to make it look as clean as possible. I know having the proper machine, like the Eliminate boys have, would definitely do the trick. That's on the shopping list for one day, just not today. If you want to help us out, go hit the links down below for our apparel store. You can get it off of Redbubble, some of Speed Demon Design, Project 253 stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff to choose from, and every time you buy something, it helps this channel. I'll just throw that money back into getting stuff to make the shop and the cars better. I haven't cleaned the back yet, the plastics, but I sort of tried to clean the floor out. Used this, did the carpet. Turned out okay, all right. The contrast of the dirty plastic pretty much ruins all the stuff. But this is the big thing. So take a look at it before. Here's the seats, little stains on it. Worked on the back a little bit, but not much, so that's gonna be something. And then the carpet. Pretty dirty, pretty crusty. I've already vacuumed it out a lot, and all this junk seems to be stuck in there. So we're gonna see what this stuff and a shop vac can do to this. One last time. Look. From the pedals to the headrest. So the directions say that I gotta vacuum off the area I need cleaned in there, spray this down, good nice thick foam, scrub it lightly with this, circular patterns, and then vacuum it again. So sprayed it down. I'm gonna give it maybe a little scrub and then another little quick spray, and then I'm probably gonna go over it twice just to be sure, but it's already looking promising. And aside from putting a couple panels back in, I'm also going to test more Simoniz product. This is the Simoniz Protectant Nettoyant Cleaner Ultra Shine Ultra Cleaner and Protector. It's like Armour All, basically. Gets the dust, the dirt off your dash, off your upholstery, or off your vinyl, or whatever the interior car is made out of, the plastics, the rubbers, all that kind of stuff. Cleans it off. It protects it from UV rays and getting dust stuck back on it. Makes it like kind of like a Rain-X style thing for your dash, you know what I mean? Anyways, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna use it as a cleaner and a protector, like it says. So I'm just gonna spray down the plastics and wipe it with this microfiber, which is also Simoniz. So we're totally testing and reviewing products today to see what they do and how we like it. We'll do a quick before. Pretty dusty up there. Got some dust on the dash. This is from the driver's side. that, we'll go around to the passenger side. Door panel, the dash. You can see the dirt and dust up there. Check this out. Okay, there's finger streak. Yeah, there they are. We got all that. We'll take a look. Well, we got the back too. There's not much back there, just the seat, but check this out. All the back plastic. This side I kind of cleaned real quick. It looks a little bit better than the rest of it, but this is the plastics there, so we get a good look at that. We'll check the after. Yeah, and this is the after of cleaning the seats. The carpet. Still kind of looks dirty on camera. It looks probably better in person, but that's what we got from it. Passenger seat actually looks worse now. So we'll use some of that YouTube magic and we'll see if we can clean it just like that. Okay, let's go check it out. So here's the results of using these two products collectively, probably less than $20. And I'm assuming that this can, I could probably do 2 more cars, maybe 3. And this one, about the same, 2 more, probably 5 or 6 actually. So my final thoughts, not so bad. Carpet wise, turned out pretty all right. It's hard to see with the lighting in here. The seats could have been better. So the upholstery cleaner kind of deal thing, oh, missed a spot. The one with the scrub brush on it, this, let's give it like, I don't know, could give it a 5 out of 10. But the other part, piece that did all the plastics and stuff, that turned out pretty cool. That looks good now. So we'll start the before and after shots. Get rid of this. Before and after. This is the after. So that's my thoughts, my final review on those Simoniz products. Like I said before, I'm not sponsored, not affiliated in any way, no connections whatsoever. I just went out looking for stuff to clean the car with, and that was the cheapest stuff I found. Collectively, those things were 20 bucks, both together. So now, since the interior of the car is done, I bought some stuff to clean the outside, so I'm gonna redo the outside. I cleaned it just yesterday, but it's still kind of dirty, and it's been sitting in a barn for a while. It needs a good scrub, and my scrub brush was no good, and neither is my chamois anymore, and it was making a mess more than it was cleaning probably. So yeah, we'll get back into that. The products I'm going to use to do that are completely different branded, so I'm not going to mix that up with a Simoniz video. I'll see you guys later. See you next time. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. Let's go.